Hey everybody, I present to you my latest 5-inch build. I haven't posted any videos from it yet, so I thought now's a good time to let you see what I'm flying. Up until now, I've been using a 6-inch drone with a GoPro for the DVR footage. From now on, you'll be seeing DVR footage from this. It's a Caddx Tarsier. It's a 2-in-1 camera. It has the FPV feed on the bottom lens and the 4K DVR feed on the top lens. Also built up on the IX5 iFlight frame that I'm using are some Emax 1900 kV 2306 Race Spec 2 motors. They seem to run pretty nice. I think I like them. I'm using a 5S 1300 milliamp hour battery. I'm not quite sure yet what to do with all the fuel they produce. I use the same batteries on my 6-inch frame, and the 6-inch frame would run about 5 minutes before it ran out of fuel. This build runs for a good 9 minutes. That makes for a long video, too long for YouTube upload, I think. On the back of the quad, we got ourselves a nice buzzer with some LEDs to help you find your drone when you lose it in some high grass. My flight stack includes a 4-in-1 35 amp ESC and a Holybro F4 flight controller. Above the flight stack is the Caddx DVR PCB. Fit in there just perfectly. For the VTX, I got the TBS Unify Pro 32 HV. It's kind of hidden right there. I had to cut out the iFlight IX5 frame sides a little bit to make it fit. Oh, there it is again. You can kind of see it now. So yeah, there you go.